Hello everyone, I am Brianna Foy. This cool tool presentation is prepared for Instructional Technology 6213. Pictochart is an easy-to-use online tool that allows you to create infographics. There is no need to download a complicated design software or pay an expense for a designer when Pictochart is right at your fingertips. You are able to use over 600 professionally designed templates that helps customize information into a visual captivating display for viewers. With Pictochart being an online software, all you have to do is log in and begin your design. So we're going to first start by logging in, and I'm going to enter my email address and password. Now let's create. Listed here is the option to design an infographic, a presentation, or a printable. We're going to select printable. Then it gives you the option to create either a poster, report, or flyer. We choose flyer because we're creating a new flyer. So since Valentine's Day is approaching, how about we create a Valentine's Day flyer? So we first begin by selecting a background. Here's a good option. Let's see what more options they have available. Red hearts, perfect. Don't need this, so I'm going to delete that. So now that we've chosen that background, we're going to enter text. So I've entered my text, but I want to make a couple of changes. So I highlight it, and I'm going to change the color to, let's do red. Red, okay, that works. Now I want to change the font, and I'm going to change it to 66. No, definitely not 66. Okay, 64. I will also like to make it bold. So I will have to change it back to 60. Okay, 59 works better. I want to move it up just a little. This red is kind of clashing. Let's try another color. I'm just going to stick with black. Okay. So now that we've added our text, you have the option to also choose a graphic. They provide you with different graphics, but you can also upload your own. So I'm going to browse my images, and I'm going to go down to photos, and I'm going to upload a picture that I downloaded from the internet. So I choose the image I want uploaded, and you see where it's uploaded to my Pictochart account. So I choose it, I drag it over, and I resize it. Okay, I think that looks good. I mean, of course I can have more things to it, but this is just an example of the things you can do with Pictochart. So I'm going to preview it just to see how it looks. Looks nice. Okay, so I exit my review, and you have the option to download it to your computer, which I'm going to do now. Okay, there it is. Once it's downloaded, be sure to save your image. Now, once you've made all your edits and you're satisfied, you also have the option to share it with whomever you choose to share it with. And basically, this is how Piktochart allows you to create your own visual display in just minutes. Make your information come to life. This is the end of my cool tool presentation. Have a nice day.